flagging up the construction of the 1,590 meters second River Niger Bridge close to the old River Niger Bridge, President Goodluck Jonathan underlined the economic importance of the bridge to the development of commerce in the southeast and south-south geopolitical zones of the country, and pledged that the bridge, which had been on the drawing board for decades, would surely be completed. He said his optimism was based on the competence of the contractor, Julius Berger PLC, and the desire of the federal government to construct projects that will add value to economic development in the country. President Jonathan appealed for support for the speedy completion of the project and thanked Governor Emmanuel Udwah and the Anambra State Governor, Mr. Peter Obi, for mobilizing their people to support the project. In his remarks, Governor Emmanuel Udwah thanked President Goodluck Jonathan for the project and promised to assist in providing adequate security for it. The Anambra State Governor, Mr. Peter Obi, and the Governor of Abia State, Chief Theodore Orji, also thanked the federal government for the bridge, which they said was long overdue. President Jonathan was later sent off to the Asaba International Airport for his return trip. Some Deltans, including government officials, lauded the federal government's proactive action in starting off the project, which they said would increase industrialization in the country and reduce the burden on the River Niger Bridge as well as its traffic congestion.
This will ease the burden for transportation and improve the safety record as well, because
it gives hope to our people. It gives hope to the entire Nigerian population, because Onitsha, which is across the bridge, holds the largest market in Africa.
And you can agree with me with expansion, increase in population, increase in traffic on the bridge. The pressure has become so tremendous that it started depreciating and is not serving the original value for which it was built. So there is need for us to get the second bridge.
The project is expected to be completed in 4 years. Jayere Ugbeye, Delta TV News.